we are here today opening up a pack from NJKaroo on eBay. That's my good friend Dennis, who's got some quality packs, and R&R Productions here opening up this 84 Topps pack. Hit it, R. Getting that open here. We'll just give that a good tear across. Get it right open. Awesome. All right, what do we got? Let's take a look here. We have Don Robinson. We have Bobby Johnson. Pretty good condition so far, just like the rest of them. Odell Jones. Tom Verizor. What do we got there? We have Tom Brennan, 662. So far, all the cards really centered. Dale Murphy. We have there an all-star card, which is an excellent card. We also have Larry Milbourne, a Yankees player. Mets fans ourselves here, but it's all good. We have a Harvey Keene manager card. We have Craig Reynolds. And John Montefusco, another Yankee. Boo. Rick Sweet. Let's see what we got there. We got a checklist, and that is okay. We're also, just like the rest of them, are all very centered, great condition. All the corners are in great shape. These cards have been preserved well. We have Luis Sanchez and Mike Proley. In our earlier packs, we got a whole bunch of big stars. John Candelaria, Willie Aikens, Lee Tunnell, Brad Havens, Robin Yount, good card, excellent card, great to have that in the pack. Dave LaPointe, Dave Lopes, Hal McRae, and we have Tom Tellman, Ken Forsch, Jerry Martin, Jerry Remy, and David Green. And the last card we have in the pack here is a Jason Thompson. So these cards all in great shape, all of them. We have a Robin Yount here. We did pretty good. We definitely got more than our money's worth. Got some great prices. Got the Dale Murphy card in there as well. So again, it's NJKaroo on eBay. They have an eBay store, NJKaroo. It's Dennis, great guy. Will make you a great deal. Great prices on packs. And keep posted for other pack breaks. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.